Welcome to the Evision video series. My name's Simon Grattan, and in this short video we'll be looking at some of the reporting options available in Evision. We will see how Evision can facilitate smart decision making based around accurate data and tailored reporting, how we can remove silos of data and consolidate them for reporting, and how dynamic reports can enable the user to drill back down into the supporting data. We'll be covering some of the standard reports or reporting options, the role-tailored dashboard, exporting data to Excel, advanced reporting using Jet reports, and how through these reporting options we can drill back down into the underlying data. We will first start with the role-tailored client or the user's Evision Dashboard homepage. On here we can publish any data that the user has access to in a chart form. So in this particular instance here we have a chart over here, we have a cash forecast here. We can toggle through different charts that have been set up, and all of these can be built within Evision and published out to individual users. Filters can be applied so you can focus around the key areas of that user's responsibility. If we toggle through a report, we can then start to see, in this instance here, about sales, cost of sales and overhead. With this we can drill down into the data to understand more about that information. So in this case we've drilled down into the data. We can now see the supporting transactions. If we wish, we can drill further and further back down to that, subject to my security. Reports can also, standard Evision reports, can also be scheduled and published out to users in a standard report format or in a PDF format, therefore enabling the user to receive reports on time. These Evision dashboards or role centers are available through the standard desktop client, through the web client, through the tablet and the phone client, enabling users to have access to this information anytime, anywhere, through any device. We will now look at Jet Reports. Jet Reports is an add-in into Excel, enabling the user to create reports based around any data that they have access to. It understands their security model, so if they don't have access to certain data, for example payroll, within Evision, they would not be able to gain access to that data through Jet Reports. This enables us to report upon a single company, multiple company and multiple data sources. So if we're running multiple instances of Evision, or we have data held in other solutions such as house building, then we are able to consolidate all of that data together into this single report. Using the power of Excel, the features in Excel, we can create charts, in this particular instance to represent the key performance indicators of my business. In this case we're looking at a very simple board repack. If we go into our balance sheet summary, click on Run, we are prompted to enter our selection criteria, in this instance where the data is coming from, the company and the date range. Simply click on Run, it will refresh that report and give us the results based around the selection criteria that we keyed in. If we wish to interrogate this further and understand more about the data, then we have the option of drilling back down into that data. If we select our work in progress number here and click on it, it will take us to the supporting information in Evision. We are now in Evision. We haven't had to separately log on, navigate to that place. It has taken us to the source of that data. We can see the transactions that make up that balance. If we so wish, we can always navigate further down into there to understand more about the postings and any supporting information around those transactions. We also have the option, as we have with any data that the user has access to, of exporting that data into Excel. So a single click pushes that data out into Excel. We now have that data in Excel, a snapshot of that data. We can now analyze that data further. We could perhaps create pivot tables off the back of that data, analyzing it in whatever way we wish. We can save that workbook, open it up at a future point in time, click on Dynamics Nav option on the ribbon bar, click on Refresh, and it will refresh that list based around the criteria to what that data was saved in initially. So therefore updating that list. Another way that we can take data, analyze it, and use it in the way that we wish to use it. Going back to the original JET report, back to our board pack, some other options that are available to us. We have the option of scheduling reports. So any report can be scheduled to run daily, weekly, hourly, whenever. To send that out via email to users, either in a fully interactive form where the user can run, refresh and drill back down into that data, or a values only workbook, or as a PDF. This helps to streamline the whole reporting process. So if people need and require information at key times, then we're not reliant upon users having to remember to run those reports and distribute that information out to them. If we wish to create reports, then we can go into design mode. Typically, only certain users will have access to design. Again, you stipulate the number of designers you have within your business. This enables us to create new reports, to modify existing reports. It's all set up in an easy way, enabling us to create reports quickly and simply, with a number of different options. An option here to select the function wizard to build reports, to create fast financial statements, to basically enable us to drag and drop the information we want, to add report options to all of our reports, so selection criteria, where the data is coming from, the company, dates, etc. For quick ad hoc reports, a report wizard enables us to select a table, build a report, sort it, total it, and publish it. Table builder, browser and snippets, allowing us to create templates. So for regular type of reporting, to have basic templates in place. Therefore we don't always have to start to build a report from scratch. So a simple and straightforward way of being able to create reports, all within the Excel framework. So in this short video we've seen how we can create interactive reports, drill down to the source data, the options of scheduling reports, to publish those across a wide range of different devices through there, providing a platform for reporting and business analytics to enable us to collaborate, to simplify the reporting process and to be in control of that. For further information, please contact us on the details shown on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video.